Hey there! Are you a fellow millennials looking for tips to live your best life? Well, today we've got some fantastic insights for you on the world's richest millennial celebrities and their money lessons. First, let's talk about Kylie Jenner. This 25-year-old superstar's net worth is estimated to be over $1 billion, and her secret to success is investing in herself. She built her brand, Kylie Cosmetics, from scratch, and now she's reaping the rewards. Next on our list is Justin Bieber, who has been in the spotlight since he was a teenager and is now worth over $285 million. What can we learn from Justin? Well, he's proof it's never too late to turn your life around. Despite his rocky start, he's managed to create a successful career for himself. Last but not least, we have Taylor Swift, one of the biggest names in the music industry with a net worth of over $365 million. What's her money secrets? She's all about diversifying her income streams. Not only is she a successful singer, but she's also a savvy businesswoman who's invested in real estate and other ventures. So what can we learn from these rich millennials? Invest in yourself, never give up, and diversify your income streams. Thanks for listening, and be sure to stay tuned for more tips on how to live your best life.